Alright, y'all, we back with another one. This package is from Storage Legends. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Some kind of fire we got. Alright. We got this. Some space rock. That's pretty cool. Then we got another one. This one's smaller. Pretty cool. And we got Lebron James. It's pretty dark today. Kind of cloudy. Sun's coming out pretty soon though. Ooh, we got that Walter Payton. Fire. That's fire. Another LeBron. Another LeBron. That's Venom, huh? Yeah, that's Venom. Another fire. Let's see what else we got here. Some fire right there. Old baseball card. Let's see what year is this? I can't see up in here. I need to turn the light off. Give me a second. Give me a second, girl. Yeah, that's a little better. Let's see. See if we can see the date on this one. I still can't see the date on it. Let's see. So that's 61. Nah, I can't be. Well, like I don't know what year that is. That's a banger right there. LeBron. Who's that in the middle? That's Anthony, Carmelo Anthony. Rookie year, so. You know what? This is one card I have never seen before. One of them. It's a nice one though. Ooh, Hank Aaron. rookie. Nice one. Made this card. Alright, that's it for that one. Let's open this one up. Let's see what's inside this one. What's in this box, huh? We're finna see right now. Hold on, let me pull these cards before I mess them up. But yeah, that Walter Payton is hard right there, though. Pack of old cards. Old Giants right there. I like that. Duplicates. Nice little pack. Old cards. And these are thick cardboard cards, though. Look at them. Old tops. I think these are tops. Can't tell. I think they are, though. Let's see what we got here. This is Kirby Puckett was a good baseball player right there. Back in the days. And Ben Wallace, I wonder if this is a rookie. It might be. Nolan Ryan. Another Nolan Ryan. Horace Grant. Dang, that's old school right there. Warren Moon. I think this might be his rookie card. Not sure. But it's one of those cards in that set that everybody wanted, though. I do remember that. Michael Jordan. This card definitely needs to get graded though. Stars Legends, man, he be having some fire, man. I'll tell you that. That's fire right there. Old school patch. I like that. Another Lebron. Now that's fat. That's the patch of Spider-Man. I ain't never seen this card before. I'm glad I have it though. Another old school patch. Fire. Trying to knock the card down a little bit, but it's probably been there for a long time. In the same spot. This one went down. That's fat right there, that Nolan Ryan. Another Nolan Ryan. Another one. Nolan Ryan was a beast though in baseball. Dude, look at that old school A's patch. That is fat right there. Look how old this thing is. When they get old, they turn yellow. The plastic. It's old school Giants right here. It's nice. Yeah. Got some of that fire from Storage Legends. Look at that card right there. That's why it's always good to keep your cards in these plastic sleeves so it won't get all scratched up. Keeps them nice and looking nice and clean. Look at this old school card right here. Here's that 1979. No, 73. 73 to 74. Old school basketball cards. Let's see what kind of comics we got right here though. Got some old school Superman. .35 center. Old school 20 center Superman. Look at this one though. That dude look like Tarzan. Is that Tarzan? That's crazy. This old school Aquaman. 31 center. I wonder what year this is. What's that center right there? Don't have a date on it. Old school Avengers. Old school right there. Thing. Old school. That's crazy because I just found me some other comments. I got these ones right here. Look at the Hulk. The boy's a beast. That's the reason why I brung it out, because of the thing right here. Old 50 center. With the Hulk again. Beast. And then this one. 35 center. I got the first issue of right here of the thing. And this 35 center right here. It's tight though, but yeah, definitely got some fire from Star Wars Legends. Thank you, should I say. Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out, y'all. Peace. Peace.